Okay, so a few things about this example. You're going to notice down here I used a sign that looks like an equal sign with a line through it. This just means not equal to. That's all it means. It just means not equal to. Since 8 is not equal to 12, I know that that expression works. So let's try, on the right-hand side, let's try a different value. So if I have x plus 3 equals 12, let's say I said x equals 9, and we're going to try that. So now I do the same thing. I plug the 9 in. So now I've got 9 plus 3 equals 12 with a question mark on top because I'm not sure yet. And then I do 9 plus 3, which is 12, and 12 equals 12. So this is a solution. Okay. So again, because x is just a placeholder, it's like a bag, and we're trying to figure out how many grapes are inside the bag. I know that there have to be 9 grapes inside the bag in order for both sides of my equation to be equal. Okay. All right, we're going to check some solutions on the next page. All right, so we're going to check, is it a solution? So my equation is p plus 10 equals 38, and my possible solution is p equals 18. So what we do to check is we're going to take that p equals 18 and we're going to substitute, which is something that we worked on a lot last quarter. Substitute. So where there's a p, I'm going to plug in an 18. Now I've got 18 plus 10 equals, with a question mark because I don't know yet, 38. Okay, it is important that you put that question mark there because we're not sure if it's equal or not. Okay, now I'm going to add them. 18 plus 10 is 28, and 28 is not the same as 38. So this is not a solution. Not a solution. Because 28 and 38 are not the same. Guess what? If I drew this on a scale, I'm going to have a way lighter left-hand side because there are 28 grapes over here, and there are 38 grapes on the right. This is not an equal balance. Not balanced, which means that it's not a solution. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, this one is 4y equals 56 when y equals 14. Now, again, I need to substitute. However, I see right here that I've got 4y. So when I plug this in, this is not going to become 414. I need to remember that when you have a coefficient and a variable, there's a hidden multiplication. Okay, there's multiplication hidden between that 4 and that y. So this expression is actually 4 times y equals 56. Not 414. It's going to be 4 times 14. Okay. All right, now we can substitute. So this becomes 4 times 14 equals, with a question mark, 56. So we're trying to figure out if that's true. I don't know my 14's times tables. So over here on the left, I'm going to do some 14 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So on the left, 4 times 14 is 56. And it is the same as 56. So this is a yes. This is a solution. So for this one, if I have the balance beam, it's going to be exactly even because on the left-hand side, I've got 56 grapes. And on the right-hand side, I've got 56 grapes. They are equal. This is a solution. Okay. All right, the next ones are going to be try-its, which means I'm going to pause, and I'm going to have you try them. All right, here are your 2 try-its. I have 9 minus g equals 5 when g equals 3, and I have a divided by 2 equals 28 when a equals 14. So on this one, you're going to want to make a note that this is division. All right, take a second, pause this, try them, and then I'm going to go over it. Okay, hopefully you're back. So this is going to become 9 minus 3 equals question mark 5. 6 does not equal 5, so this is not a solution.